Honey, friend, girl, let me tell you, if I only had $2,000 at this point, I'd still try to move to Southeast Asia. I'd still be moving out of the country. At this point, money can no longer be the excuse for me not to leave the United States. $5,000 should do me just fine. I know you probably hear like a lot of people that it seems like they have a lot of money, they've done well for themselves. No, I know a lot of them have, right? They've prepared themselves, they're financially secure and all of that. That's not me. That is not me. But guess what? I am not letting that stop me. Period. I'm just not letting it stop me. I have so much confidence in myself. I probably have more confidence in myself than I should. I don't know, but I do. And I know, that's my sister. She always says, girlie, if anybody can make anything work, you can make it work. And when I get my mind set on something, when I am determined to make something work, it's going to work. And so, getting back to what I'm saying, my $5,000 that I'm taking to move to Southeast Asia come August the 18th, 2026, God willing, is going to work. And I am so sure that that $5,000 is going to go so much further than you can imagine, right? I think that's why a lot of women, African American women who are considering moving abroad, are holding back, right? A lot of women are just waiting on that right time. You're waiting on the right amount of money. I got to have $25,000 to make this move. I've got to, everything just has to line up. The stars and the moon and the sky, everything just had to be perfect to make this move. I've been considering this move for years. Years. I have done all the research I could possibly do. I know more about the country and I don't even live there. So it is time. The time is now. And the reason why I'm sharing this is because I personally, in my mind, I thought I was crazy. When I look at other videos of people who are moving abroad, they just seem to have it all together, right? They just seem to, they had these jobs for 40, 50 years, and now they're retiring and they've got thousands of dollars in the bank and they're just, they're like rolling in dough, right? I have a sneaky suspicion that there are a lot of people who have moved over to Southeast Asia and other countries with a lot less money. And I think they are okay. And I'm going to prove that. I'm going to be one of the women to prove that you can go to Southeast Asia. Me particularly, I think I'm going to settle in Vietnam. I'm going to go to Thailand first. I'm going to hop over to Vietnam. And I think that's probably where I'm going to be for a while. Who knows? I don't even have that completely planned out. But what I do know is that move is going to give me the ability to grow. It's going to give me the ability to make my money go further. It's going to give me the ability to travel more. It's going to give me the ability to create my business and make more money overall. I think I'll be a lot less stressed. I'll have a clearer mind. So it'll give me the ability to really focus on building my business. And so money is no longer a factor in holding me back from making this big move. It is a big move. It's the biggest move of my life. I've moved around, not all over the United States, but a few times within the United States. Nothing big, nothing major, no big deal. But moving across the world, halfway across the world, that's a big deal. That's a big deal. And $5,000, I'm sure scares a lot of you. I know when you even saw the title, you're like, oh my God, 5,000. Nobody can move to Southeast Asia with $5,000. I'm going to prove you wrong. I am going to be the guinea pig and I'm going to do it and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. I mean, already I know that when I move over there, the money that I pay now for rent, I pay $1,500 a month for a 2-bedroom apartment. I can go over there and pay 3 times less, maybe 4 times less. I can go over there and pay a lot less for healthcare, a lot less for food, a lot less for clothing, a lot less for entertainment. So all of that extra money that I will be spending a lot less on bills in general, I'll be able to save that money. And at the same time, again, I'll be making money, building business, which I'm going to share with you all how I'm going to do that as we go along with this channel. But yeah, I want to show other women that it can be done. And I'm going to be the guinea pig to do it. And I want to talk to other people who have done it, because I know there are some people out there in Southeast Asia, maybe in Vietnam, in Thailand, who have already moved over there with $5,000 and they've made it work for them. So if you are one of those people and you're watching this, reach out to me, because I definitely want to talk to you. If I can get out there and have a interview with you, I would absolutely love to do that. So that's where the trajectory, however you say that word, trajectory, you know that word I'm talking about. That's where this channel is going. So this channel is going to focus on women who want to move abroad and maybe don't have a whole lot, maybe are not. But if you are, hey, if I have any resources, any information I can share with you, great. But if you are a woman who feels like, I don't have a whole lot, I don't know if I could do it, I want to move abroad, but I don't really know how I would make that happen, this is the channel for you, because I'm going to show you that it can be done by showing you literally, vulnerably, how I'm going to do that. So make sure you are liking, sharing, subscribing, and drop a comment. If you think that you can move abroad with $5,000, let me know if you think you can make it happen. If you don't think $5,000 is enough to move abroad, let me know that in the comments too. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.